Kids Fun Learn Club. And today we are going to draw.
So this is what? The 6 minutes?
100 days,
100 days
challenge.
challenge. Very lost. So what are we going to do today?
We are going to draw a
Don't hit that TV.
baby Spiderman.
A baby Spiderman. A baby Spiderman flying on his web.
Swinging on his web.
Swinging on his web. I hope you guys are enjoying the 6 minutes 100 days challenge, and do stay till the end of the video to see if you were the lucky one who got featured by Parikshet in this video. Let's get started with the drawing. We need a white paper and a black pencil. Yeah?
Puppet.
Let's get started. Let's start with a big head.
Not very big.
So it would be something like a round, but not exactly a circle. Let's see.
I'm not too big, I think. I think I'm going. I don't do that much.
Something like this. Do you have an eraser over here?
Yeah,
Where is it?
it's there.
It's there? Where is it? It's not here. It's not here.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to check there.
It's okay. Leave it. Continue.
Yeah, it's there.
No. Come, beta. Come back.
Okay. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Ouch, 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 ouch. Bordering.
Yeah. So that's the huge face of the Spidey.
Can I just use another page?
Wait, what is wrong? It's okay.
No.
No place for the hands. I'll wait for you. Now let's do the eyes. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the Spider-Man's eyes. Now let's
The stripes.
stripes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
One,
Okay.
2,
And similarly at the bottom.
4, 5.
1, 2, 3,
2,
4.
3,
Now what do we do with this?
4, 5.
We now
And then 4.
okay. Yeah. Now what next? We make the net. The spideys. Okay.
I have to make big nets.
Yeah. Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. Cool. it at all look like a Spiderman?
Yes, it does.
Not much. We'll have to color it actually today. Maybe we will, maybe we won't.
Yes. Wait for
Okay.
me.
By the time we wait for Parikshet, let us shade it out. Yeah. Now what is next? The body. A little difficult it is gonna be.
It's gonna be easy.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, no space for me to make the hands.
I will have some space.
Oh, I don't have even one little space.
Yeah. What am I making?
I don't
You'll soon get to know this. Okay. What are we making? We'll very soon get to know this.
Oh,
Yeah. And here comes the hands holding the rope. Right, Parikshet?
yes.
And the other hand just flying out. Yeah. Yes. Let's make a spider in the middle.
I don't know. I don't know what are you doing.
Yes.
Are you?
Yeah. And now we do some draw some webs on his body.
I will never do like that. You know why, Papa?
Why?
I will do it like Spiderman. A spider has 8 legs.
There's 8
Yes.
minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mine has 8 legs.
I'll show you how I do it.
Okay. Are we done, Parikshet?
Almost.
Wow. So by the time Parikshet finishes his drawing, let us see this video shout out. Let us see who got featured in this shout out.
Big shout out and congratulations to the both the YouTube profile and the Instagram profile. Thanks for supporting us. If you want to be featured too, share your drawings on Instagram stories and tag at the Kids Fun Club.
Do not forget to share. Okay, welcome back. Congratulations to who got featured. Let's finish the sketch. Okay, so I'm also done with this challenge, the episode number 26. We forgot to mention the episode number. So this was episode number 26 of the 6 minutes 100 days challenge. I hope you're loving it. And do not forget to like and subscribe the channel and tell us in the comments below what should be the next drawing that you want us to do. Have a great and a wonderful day. Bye bye. See you in the next video.